Welcome, student. Now we are start this new lesson, that is the announcement. Student, we heard the different types of announcement on the different occasions. There may be nowadays we are hearing the announcement regarding corona. There was a vehicle which always wander here and there from one city to another city, from one village to another village, doing this announcement regarding corona. So that they make a sound of blowing horn and went and stop at one place, and the employee of this Nagar Panchayat tells us, announce the things that are decided into the office, that everyone must keep a distance from each other, wear a mask, and don't come out there. If there is a lockdown, then he shouted that don't come out of the house, remain into the house. So if someone if anyone who break this rule, then he will be punished, or he will be fined rupees. So this type of announcement was done by the employee of Nagarpalika. So that is the way through which we come to know about the informations. So the source of getting information is the announcement. Okay. Announcement is the informations which we required, Now here are the some announcement which is written form, that is on the 6th July 2015. It has been observed observed by the head boys and head girls, that head boys and head girls that certain classes do not clean up their classrooms before leaving. If any class is found untidy and littered after school, that class will be detained the next day after school hours up to 4 p.m. Please take note of this. So this is a notice of the school. So the school administration hang this notice on the notice board, that there are some classrooms which are untidy, and the boys and the girls of that class had no discipline with them. So the notice was issued by the administration of a school for that girls and boys, or that classrooms, that if anyone found the classroom of the if the classroom are found untidy before leaving the school, then that class will be punished, on the next day. So this is the notice which was used by the school administration in the school, and this notice is hanged on the notice board or stitched with on the notice board, so the boys and girls of that class come read this notice, and that notice board is hanged on the way of in the corridor, so the boys and girls of that class can read. Here is the second notice board, that is the tomorrow, that is on the 10th of July, school will close 1 hour earlier as the teachers have to attend an important PTA meeting. So please inform your parents to arrange to pick you at 2 p.m. instead of 3 p.m. So this is the notice. This is the notice that is issued one day earlier, because of the meeting. There was a meeting, so the time the school time is changed. That every day the school was closed at 3 p.m. So the parents daily come at 3 p.m. in a daily routine, but there was a 1 hours less than 1 hour change in the school time. So this notice is issued by the administration. So they have to make an arrangement for the children to pick up the children. So this is the another notice, and the another notice of the school is the on Sunday 12th July 2015 there is a football match between classes 8 and the 9th standard on the school ground. The match will begin at 9 a.m. All students are invited to come and cheer their favorites team. Please come on time so that the players are not distracted. So this is the another notice issued by the school administrations about the game. There was a football match between the 9th and 10th standard, 8th and 9th standard on the school ground on the 12th July, Sunday, 12th July Sunday. So this notice issued on the Saturday, and invited all the students to cheer up their favorite team on the ground. And this is another notice board that is issued by the school. That is, the school has organized a storytelling competition for classes 5th, 6th and 7th from the 21st to 25th July. The competition will be held in the school hall at 10 in the morning. The children may select the subjects are given on the board, that is a fable, a folk tale, a fairy tale, a true story and a funny story. All the subjects is related to the folk stories, fable stories and true stories and funny stories. It is about the story competition. 3 prizes will be given for each category. The time limits is 3 to 5 minutes. So all informations about the competitions are sticked on the notice board, on the notice. Those who wish to participate may contact Mrs. Sanjana Mohite for other details. They must register their name with with her before the 16th of July. So there will be competition between 21st to 25th. On these through this notice we come to know that this notice is issued before 16th of July. So this is the notice. These are the announcement through the notice, through which we come to know these notices are issued in the 1 month, that is the July. So these notices are issued by the school administrations in the month of July, and for the different events which is organized in the school. Okay. Another notice board, that is the precaution notice, that is the constructions work to extend the school building will start next week. All students are cautioned not to cross over the fence at the construction site. It is dangerous and may cause you injury. Please stay away from the fence. So please stay away from the that fence is written in a red and big font, so the students can get the attention of this notice. Another notice is a cycle key with the blue key chain has been found on the ground. Whoever has lost it can contact the clerk, Mrs. Nina Pinto, and see if it is belongs to him or her. So there is a notice about the lost keys that is found on the ground. In these lessons we have read the different types of notice which is announcements are done by the school administrations for different purposes. So here is the lesson we completed by reading. Okay, now we will going to understand these lessons and the meaning into the next lecture.